Hello everyone, welcome to StudyIQ IAS English channel. My name is Shubham Sagar and I'm making this video, or we are making this video in July 2025. If you're preparing for 2026, this is a very critical time for you people. And you can be belonging to different category. Some of you may have given 2025 pre for some reason or the other. You may or may not have cleared pre. If you have cleared pre, you are in the mains mode. If you have not cleared pre, you still have to be in the mains mode. And then there are people who will be giving 2026 for the first time. Then there are some working professional. Then there are some people who are in their first or second year of graduation but they still want to prepare for second means 2026 or maybe 2027. See, understand one thing. This whole talk is for 2026 people who are planning to give it in 2026. Doesn't matter whether you have given it in 2025 or not, whether you're a working professional or studying right now. This will cater to you all. There are certain things which vary from people to people, like how many hours you study. A general consensus is 8 hours, but again, it varies. Some people study for 6 hours, still clear. Some people study for 10 hours, they don't clear. And that happens. That, it's not one size fit all approach, but there are certain things which is uniform for everyone. What is that certain things? What are those certain things? Those certain things are like in July, like we are in July, from July 2025 till January 2026, you have to be in mains mode, more or less. You have to complete your optional, and not only complete it, you have to complete your optional, make proper notes of it, make 2 separate files for your GS, like mains optional paper 1, paper 2, everything has to be organized by January 2026. Then only you can think about attempting pre in 2026. Otherwise, many people, many 70-80% of the population who give UPSC pre, they don't have their optional ready, they don't have their world history ready, ethics ready, and they feel like the gap. I made a video on the calendar 2026 thing, you can watch it. There is less than 3-month gap between pre 2026 and mains 2026. You will not be able to cover your main syllabus, your optional syllabus in that period. Many people are like, let me prepare for UPSC pre 2026. I have not cleared it for last 2 attempts. So pre is the aim, mains and optional can wait for another time. If I clear pre, I will get confidence and that will help me in clearing mains and optional. Exceptions are always there. 1 or 2 people may or may not have cleared it. If you become a topper, you will also start saying things which you may or may not have done. Again, with conditions apply here. So please understand this thing. We are telling you what maximum toppers do. Sometimes you want to become different. 30 people out of 30 toppers, 27 read Hindu or Indian Express someday or the other made notes of it. Then there will be 3 people who will be saying that we have only read from Current Affair magazine. We have never read Hindu, Indian Express at all. And because you want to see, means, everybody wants to be seen as different. We'll try to follow those 3 toppers rather than 27 toppers. Don't be that hero right now. You will become a hero later on if you become little disciplined right now, little boring right now. You have to do the same thing which people are doing day in, day out. Toppers are doing day in, day out. So complete your optional by January 2026. Complete your ethics, world history, make proper notes, remember your main syllabus, be means oriented right now. That will help you in your pre as well. If you feel like, you need some kind of guidance, you need some kind of help, you feel like you are overwhelmed with the whole, like with the syllabus which is around you, it sometimes get overwhelming. If you have seen the syllabus, you know what I mean here. Then in that regard, we can help you. You can, you can join our 2026 batch. And it's not about StudyIQ only. You can join any other batch. That is not the point. The point is, once you join any batch, our batch or any other batch, trust that batch. They will give you some material. Like I don't know much about others. What we are doing is we are giving you all the study material. You don't have to go anywhere. We are giving you more than 70 plus prelims test, more than I think 15 plus mains test. And again, I will show you. Then there is mentorship. If you clear 2026 pre, whatever fee we are taking from you, we will refund it to you. If you're topping our monthly quiz, will give you 11,000 reward. So there are all these things. If you feel like there is, even 1 or 2% doubt, I keep on telling people that if you have even 1 or 2% doubt, whether you'll be clearing UPSC 2026 or not, and I'm not here confining myself to UPSC pre 2026. I'm talking about the whole journey. Just because you clear pre or mains, it will not give us medal, right? You know what I mean. You have to again return to level 1. So you have to go the whole way rather, and for that you have to understand where you are. You have to be very, very honest to yourself. When anybody clears, let's say 120 plus students of ours, they cleared UPSC this year all the way, not only pre-mains, all the way. I'm not saying we did it, like it's all their achievement. You know, we were just the guiding light. So here also we'll be the guiding light. If you feel like we can streamline your preparation in any way, you can join StudyIQ's course. You can, and for any like maximum discount for and you can use my code SHS Live also. How you can join my course, or our course rather, you will go to studyiq.com website. You can also go to Google Play Store, download our StudyIQ app, and from there also you can join the course. Here on studyiq.com, you will go to all languages, you will go to English. And this is a batch I'm talking about, 2026 batch. You're seeing 36,999. The prices will go as low as 9,999 based on your requirement. And before you buy anything, the one thing which you have to do is go downwards and see the features. I have told you all these features, you know, one-to-one mentorship. Sometimes you want to talk to someone who have gone through this process. Sometimes this happens. Even our parents are not able to understand it. They can help you in monetary aspect, but they will not understand what you are going through. Your mentor will help you. Material, 75 plus pre-test, 12 mains test, daily, weekly quizzes, prelims and mains residential program. MRP is going on right now for people who have cleared pre. So let's say you clear pre in UPSC 2026, will initiate full refund for you, which is there, full fee refund for prelims qualifier. At the same time, you will stay with us with all the people who have cleared UPSC pre 2026 of that year, and that is mains residential program of ours. And that is actually very helpful because we become the average of 5 people we surround ourselves with, right? So IGP program is there because this is P2I, prelims to interview course. We have Honorable Retired IAS Anil Sarup sir with us. So he'll be guiding you in IGP. So again, if you want to be a part of StudyIQ family, if you feel like we can help you in any way, join this course. And how you will join it, how you will get maximum discount, you will go to buy now, and here you can see different courses, diamond, all these features are there in diamonds, which we have discussed. The price is 36,999. If I just add my promo code, that is SHS Live, the price will decrease by 7,000, 29,999. Everything which we have discussed is here. If you go to platinum, again 7,000, my discount, if you apply it, it will become 24,999 from 31,999. All the features are there except some like prelims, residential program, some scholarship thing, they're not there. And if you go to gold, this will reduce to 9,999, which I'm talking. If you feel like, no, you don't need any mentorship, any test, etc., then in that regard, what you have to do is you just want some classes, the videos of all the subjects, economic, polity, history, etc., live classes, recorded videos. You can watch it for next 1 year, 6 months, any number of times, lecture notes. You can join gold as well. It's totally up to you. Remember one thing, if you feel like, you know, money is an issue, we are catering to every section of society. So money should not be an issue. Even after that, if you feel like money is an issue or any other queries you have, call on this number 9240231070. You can give them my reference, Shubham Sagar, and you know, they will help you out. They will guide you in all these aspects, whatever queries you have. So don't worry about the money part, worry about the fact that you have to clear UPSC pre 2026 and make us proud as well as your family proud. Fine. So again, based on that, try to join at the earliest because the batch is starting from 7th July 2025. No, 7th July, and tomorrow the batch will be starting. So try to, when you're joining, try to join from the first date so that you attend the orientation session, etc., etc. You can always watch the recorded videos any number of times, but yeah, live classes will help you in some other, like in entirely different way. You can ask your doubts, etc. So yeah, it's totally up to you. Batches are starting from tomorrow, 7th July, and if you feel like you are as we have discussed, you are lagging behind in some way or the other, join it. If you feel like there are any sibling, friend of yours who can help with this course, tell them about it. And that's it from me. Hope I cleared all your queries related to 2026. Be in the mains mode now, and till January 2026, try to cover optional, ethics, essay, world history, as we have discussed. Remember your syllabus, remember your PYQs, they are very critical. So take care, be blessed. I will see you soon.